Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Valentin Dish. As many as 800 traffic police personnel will be deployed across the state in view of the festive season, the Superintendent of Traffic Police, Akshat Kaushal, said. Addressing a press conference, he said around 800 police personnel will be deployed across the state in view of the festive season of Christmas and New Year. Watch.
Well, as many as 800 traffic police personnel will be deployed across the state in the view of the festive season. Watch toward the Superintendent of Police, the Traffic, Kaushal has to say on this.
All these traffic diversions have been made keeping in mind previous year's experience and also the expected vehicular traffic, so that minimum inconvenience can be caused to tourists and residents who are visiting these beaches. We have identified around 17 parking locations so that minimum inconvenience is caused to people who are taking their vehicles. Of these, the 3 big parking lots wherein cars can be parked are the Bodke parking lot in Kalangur, and there are 2 Goa tourism parkings, one in Baga and one in Candaling. इसके अलावा 14 और पार्किंग लॉट्स हैं जिसके डिटेल्स आपके साथ हम अभी शेयर कर लेंगे. टोटल जो हमारा स्टाफ डिप्लॉय हुआ है इस अरेंजमेंट के अंदर करीब 800 लोग ट्रैफिक पुलिस के पूरे गोवा के अंदर डिप्लॉय किए जाएंगे. हमारे जो तमाम पीआईज हैं, डीवाईएसपीज हैं, वो फील्ड में ही रहेंगे और सीनियर ऑफिसर्स भी फील्ड में ही रहेंगे एंड टाइम टू टाइम ब्रीफिंग्स दी जाएंगी ताकि जिस जगह पे ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक एक्सपेक्टेड है उस जगह पे हम एडिशनल अगर स्टाफ भेजना हो तो उसका भी हमने बंदोबस्त करके रखा है. ख़ास फोकस किया जा रहा है टोरवरिंग पे ओ पोकेरो जंक्शन पे कि वहाँ पे प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस ये रहा है कि वहाँ पे थोड़ा ट्रैफिक जैम्स रहते हैं क्योंकि वो काफ़ी रोड्स वहाँ आके मर्ज होती हैं और रोड की चौड़ाई भी थोड़ी कम है. तो हमारी ये कोशिश रहेगी कि इस बार हम वहाँ पे कुछ सुधार ज़रूर लेके आएँ. इसके अलावा अभी से पिछले 1 हफ्ते से हमारी कॉन्टीन्यूअस ड्राइव्स चल रही हैं जो 1 जनवरी तक चलेंगी. इस ड्राइव्स के अंदर हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि जो भी ट्रैफिक वायलेशंस हो रहे हैं उसके ऊपर एक तरीके से रुकावट आए, मिनिमाइज़ किया जाए. इसमें खास फोकस उन लोगों पे किया जा रहा है जो 2 व्हीलर्स को विदाउट हेलमेट पहन के चला रहे हैं या फिर जो ड्रंकन ड्राइविंग कर रहे हैं.
A male body was found floating in the sea of Morji beach. Perne police recovered the body at Temdwada in Morji and expressed the possibility that the man may have drowned. Police sent the body to Goa Medical College and Hospital for autopsy, and efforts are underway to identify the deceased.
A dead body was found on Friday evening at the Morji beach. The police have sent the body to Goa Medical College and Hospital for autopsy. Further details are awaited.
आयज आमकां 12 सुमार कॉल येयलो की डेड बॉडी फ्लोटींग आहा म्हणून. इन्सिडंट जाला काल राती बीन आसूंक शकता. अननोन आहा मनीस. आयडेंटिटी अजून रिवील जावंक ना. 30 वर्सांचो बीन आसतलो तो. दिसना लोकल गोवा दिसना. इंडियनूच मनीस.
Okay. Story by Maqbul for Herald TV.
Locals have strongly opposed a material recovery facility shed to be constructed by Aldona Panchayat near the Ramtaleshwar temple. Angry locals gathered near the site and demanded that the Sarpanch to stop the construction work. The Mamladar later directed the suspension of the construction work till Tuesday, and a hearing is expected to take place before the deputy collector.
लोक कितें म्हणटा तांकां ओपोज ना. जे डेव्हलपमेंट गांवांत येता त्या डेव्हलपमेंटाक ते आपलो ओपोज आसा म्हणिना, बट थंय देवाचो जागो आसा आमकां विश्वासान घेयनासतना अशें काम कित्याक थंय केलें. लोकांक एटलिस्ट म्हणटा कोणूय पंच मेंबर त्या वाठारांतलो आसा, एटलिस्ट तेणी जे कोण विलेजर्स आसा तांकां सांगपाची खंय तरी गरज.
Agree. Many people were aware where exactly it is coming. The irony of today's fiasco, 19 December, the same people, some of them who even gave press statements to you, came here show them photographs if required.
Yeah.
With the same concern, I explained to them everything in detail. How an MRA facility functions. It's not like earlier just dumping. Now it is monitored by Pollution Control Board. Court is there, NGT is there. All authorities are the Waste Management Act is there. If we don't do it as per the act, again we have face sanction. Then they said, give me in writing. I said, why to give you in writing just anything? Next Sarpanch will come, he'll tear it 6 months, he'll say, go and ask Ashwin. So I said, what? I'm going to file an affidavit in the court that I'm going to do A, B, C, D, E, F, G with regards to operating MRA facility. We have NOC only for dry waste, no wet waste. I don't even want wet waste collection till we are capable of doing it, until proper arrangements are made. Anywhere, wherever, when the time comes. I told them, explained to them everything. These are the people.
They
were there.
I'm sure they were not with me.
But anyways, and they even gave suggestions.
Regarding
Place CCTV cameras here, place CCTV cameras there. We don't want the vehicle to come this side. You bring the vehicle from top side. I said, of course, we'll take up all your suggestions. We are even one step going. We are ready to frame bylaws which are as per the Waste Management Act. Ready to frame bylaws, conditions, whatever. Even we'll tell the garbage collector not to pick up waste where there is even a stink in the bag. So that it does not go there only at all. So we are proactively ready for managing, and we know how scientifically to do it. So I told them, I'll file an affidavit in the court which will be binding on the panchayat. So एक दिली फाल्यां कोणी बसों ताजी जबाबदारी आसतली की सरपंचान पंचायतीन नतेन जे एफिडेविट कोर्टाक फायल केला ते ऑनर करपाक. सो ते म्हणटात तूं 2 दिसांचो सरपंच बांद. ओके, 2 दिसांनी हांव गेलो, 3 दिसांनी तो आयलो, ते आयले. They will be bound by that affidavit, no? Like how I was bound on 29th August by an affidavit signed by I don't know whom. You get my point, right?
Yeah. Means
So assurances were given, everything. They said, okay, Baba, सगळे बरे. They even said, okay, हे जाल्यार आमकां आतां गोरवांचो इश्यू आसा, गोरवांचे मागीर पळोवया. That was the discussion by one of the person who is vociferously speaking all that language. I was surprised.
Christmas Eve is here and New Year is round the corner. We are in a situation where pristine Goa, which used to be a magnet for the world to come, is suffering greatly and fast becoming just another destination where certain kinds of tourists come in, spend the money and go back. The preposition that we have today is whether we are killing the golden goose, as it were, of tourism. The overwhelming feedback that we've been getting from people, including many stakeholders, is that we are indeed in the process of killing this proverbial golden goose, if we have not killed it already. Watch the full debate on Herald TV.
Like any destination, Goa lived by a brand. And the brand is something that brings in tourism without effort, brings in the right tourism. We have changed that brand. And it's not the same brand as before, which was aspirational. I have a room in Goa for New Year's, I'm going to go there. And everybody wanted to come there because you were there and your friends would come. Goa's completely lost that flavor. People are not talking of Goa anymore as, oh, we got to be in Goa. Also, it's a lot to do with indecisiveness, because with all this madness in the press about one music festival that's controlling the whole publicity of Goa on a daily basis, it's ridiculous. First of all, there are people who want to come here because of the music festival, and there are people who don't want to come here because of the music festival. When it's indecisiveness, you lose both. I mean, till 2 days back, you have a festival on the 31st. On 31st, now you say it's cancelled. It's ridiculous because you can't cancel someone's 31st planned night out of December at a week before, and they've bought air tickets. It's all created a mess for people.
No, but are you saying allowing that festival to happen on the 31st was right on the first place?
I think it was completely wrong. They should never apply for it, and I can't understand why the government, for 15 years in a row, can't get the act together with a permission.
Right.
They can't get the act together with taxi problem. They can't get the act together with the sunburn permission. You are delaying the shacks licenses so much every year. It's shortening their time to earn money. So it's no more a happy vibe where you enjoy guests coming. You're serving them. You're giving them good value. Now it is, instead of 6 months, I got 4 months, I got 3 months. What do I earn in that? And you just try to, you just destroy the whole charm of what it's supposed to have been.
Correct.
And we don't have a plan. We have no plan. I came here in 92 where there were 7 flights a week from Sweden and Denmark and Norway. Today we only have international Russian tourists. We put a big article in the newspapers in the morning. A flight has landed from Kazakhstan. I mean, come on. There's so much more of the world where we've lost complete touch with. And that all made Goa an international flavor. As far as
No, but why
sunburns-
have, okay, now you're flagging important issues, but what are the reasons for it? In the sense that why are we losing those tourists?
See, I think honestly we've lost the
That's why
value.
anybody is free to enter, but in any time,
Right,
and
please, yeah.
it's a
I
discussion.
think we've lost value of that festive week
Yeah.
monopoly we had for good quality tourism in Goa, because we never looked after the golden goose. We cut it. I think just bringing, for example, since you asked me about the festival, Sunburn is a wonderful festival. It started off great, but like any other festival, it's grown. Goa doesn't have the infrastructure to keep something like this going. So either get it changed, get it smaller, change the venue, change the date, but don't allow something single-handedly, which the whole state apparently doesn't want from what you hear, to downgrade the name of Goa, because people are avoiding situations of pickpocketing, robbing, driving, your taxi problem, you're forced to take a rental cab, there's no place on the roads to drive, you're having accidents, you can't take a taxi and go out for dinner because they're not available or they're exorbitant.
Right.
So you rent a car or you drive down in your cars. Airfares have gone down, and initially the airfares were 30,000 and things like that.
Right.
They were on par with other international destinations who straight away hit us with no visa fee, no nothing. We lost that whole,
part, right,
and
right,
now
right.
we've come to just take whatever you can get.
In the spirit of giving and community, residents of Mormugao are gearing up for project number 72, a special Sunday cleaning drive set to take place on the Baina beach ahead of Christmas. The initiative aims to not only celebrate the holiday season, but also contribute to the well-being of the local environment.
This meaningful event is orchestrated a dedicated community of individuals committed to creating positive change in their surroundings. Project number 72 is the latest in a series of initiatives undertaken by the group to foster environmental consciousness and community engagement.
बायणा बिचार हा संडे क्लिनिंग ड्रायव्ह आणि बायणा बिचार आतां प्रॉब्लम कितें जाल्लें आहा, आमी डेली येता आणि सगळ्या बिचाचेर हे प्लास्टीक बॉटल्स आसा. सरकार म्हणटा तेंच्यांनी खंय बीच क्लिनिंगाचे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट दिला, टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंट सांगता. आतां कोणाक दिला तें आमकां खबर ना. आणि पळोवंक वचत जाल्यार ते बीच क्लिनिंगाचे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट म्हाका दिसता ते क्रोर्सांनी पयशे तुमी वेस्ट करता. क्रोर्सांनी पयशे वेस्ट करता. आयज पळोवंक वचत जाल्यार आमी मुन्सिपाल्टीक सुद्दां रिक्वेस्ट केली, पूण मुन्सिपाल्टी दखल घेना, कावन्सिलरूय दखल घेना. कितें सो आतां प्रॉब्लम जाला कितें, म्हाका दिसता गोंय सरकारान शपथ खाल्ले की आमी गोंय गार्बेज बाय करून सोडटले म्हणून. कितें तुमचेर कोणाचो कंट्रोलूच ना जालें, कंट्रोलूच ना. आतां हे एमावंटाचे प्लास्टीक जर सपोज आमी अशें जर बिचांचेर बीन उडोवपाक लागले कितें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता फुडल्या 2 वर्सांक म्हाका दिसता आमी सोमालिया, नायजेरिया ते कंट्रीज आसात न्हू, त्या कंट्रीजा भशेन परिस्थिती जातली आमची. कितें जाणा एका गोंयकारान हेची जाणीव करून घेवपाक जाय की गोंय आमचें घर आणि आमी एकामेकाक ब्लेम करूंक शकना. स्वता सुद्दां इनिशिएटीव घेवपाक जाय लोकांनी आणि क्लिनिंग ड्रायव्स करपाक जाय. हे जे स्वच्छ भारताच्या अंडर हे गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट सारण घेवन शो मारतात न्हू, तेंचे भशेन करूं नाका. मना पासून मोग आसपाक जाय. स्कुलाचे सरावंडींग क्लीन करा, कितें देवळांचे सरावंडींग क्लीन करा, चर्चीचे सरावंडींग क्लीन करा, मस्जिदीचे सरावंडींग क्लीन करा. आमी देवळांनी वयता कितें पांयां पडोंक, पूण सरावंडींग क्लीन आसूंक जाय न्हू. आतां आमी वयता थंयसर पळयता बुरशेपणां, रस्त्यार सुद्दां लोक गार्बेज उडयतात. लोकांक सांगलें कळना, अवेरनस करपाची गरज आसा. पूण आयज ज्या पद्दतीन बिचांचेर जी गार्बेज आमी पळयता, कितें ही गार्बेज कंट्रोल जावपाक जाय. आनी टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटाची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ती कित्याक सांग गोवा इज अ टुरिजम स्टेट आनी आमी ह्या लेवलाचेर एफोर्ड करपाक शकना. ओके आतां पळयत ना म्हटल्यार म्हाज्या हिसपान जाल्यार ह्या बिचाचेर एटलिस्ट एक 5,000 तरी असले बाटले आसतले, 5,000. कितें सगळे आमी कलेक्ट करपाक शकना, पूण आमी थोडो हातभार लावपाक ट्राय करतले. कळ्ळें तुका. हांव टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन मागता करोडांनी पयशे वेस्ट करच्या पेक्षा कितें तरी दखल घेवपाक जाय तुमी, जेणे करून हे सगळे मेस क्लियर जातले. आयची संडे क्लिनिंग ड्रायव्ह ऑन बायणा बीच. थँक्यू, देव बरें करूं.
Prasad for Herald TV.
For 24 December, continuing with the Parkoni contest, today's Konkani riddle comes from the Konkani kitchen Queen Linda Fernandez. She is a food blogger from the village of Naveli in Salsette and has been a resident of Dubai for many years. She started her career as a professional tailor and a fashion designer and later followed her mother's footsteps by developing her culinary skills. And now, she has her own recipe website sharing our traditional Goan recipes to the world. Her efforts are aimed at the younger Goan generation who lack the knowledge of cooking, and thus she tries to help them through her recipes, which are available on her blogs. Here is this contest's 7th Parkone.
तुमकां सगळ्यांक म्हजो माये मोगाचो नमस्कार. हांव लिंडा फेर्नांडीस, गांवांत नावेलचें, पूण आतां म्हजे फॅमिली सांगाता ह्या सोबीत सुंदर दुबय शारांत रावता. आनी हांव तुमचे मुखार आयज एक उमाळें हो पारकोणें घेवन आयलां. पयले सुवातेर हांव शिकाली बायो क्रुसेडर्स हांकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. तांणी म्हाका हो सुयेग दिलो देखून हें पारकोणें तुमचे सामकारार हाडूं. दुबय शारांत जायतीं गोंयकारां आसात आनी गोंयकारपणाक ओत्रेकतात. तेच भाशेन गोंयच्या जेवणाक आशेतात. हांव एक फूड ब्लॉगर आनी रांदूंक म्हाका एकदम बरें दिसता. आनी रांदून दुसऱ्याक वाडूंक म्हणल्यार म्हाका सारकीच खुशालकाय भोगता. दॅट इज माय अल्टिमेट हॅपिनस. आनी म्हज्या रांदपा बरोबर हांव म्हजे रेसिपी शेअर करतां, कित्याक आयज काल आमच्या तरणाट्यांक आमचें गोंयचें ऑथेंटीक जेवण रांदूंक गमना. सो म्हजे रेसिपी वरवीं हांव तांकां सहयोग करतां हें आमचें गोंयचें जेवण रांदूंक फुडें व्हरोंक. आनी जे वरवीं चिकाली बायो क्रुसेडर्स आपल्या पारकोण्या वो उमाण्या बरोबर आमचें गोंयकारपण वयर काडटा, तेच परी आमी आमचे वावरा वरवीं आमचें गोंयकारपण वयर काडटा. आनी आतां म्हाका दिसता आमच्या उमाण्याचो टायम जालो. आतां तुमचे मुखार हांव हें उमाणें वो पारकोणें घालतां. चीत दिवन आयकात. चक चक नाच जाता, कानार मोठी जाग जाता. कितें तें सांग. ओके, आनी एक पावटी सांगता. ओके, मातशें सिंतरान आयकात. चक चक नाच जाता, कानार मोठी जाग जाता. कितें तें सांग. देव बरें करूं आनी सदांच मोग आसूं.
Now the farmers from Parse and Perne have raised their serious concerns about the sluice gates. They have demanded immediate repairs of the sluice gates before the cultivation season. They also said that the delay of repairs of the sluice gates is damaging the agricultural land as the saline water is entering into the fields. Watch.
दोन जोतां आसली पण आमी जोतां सगळं जाणा. आतां म्हणजे काय जालां, जोतां म्हणजे ही मशिनां जाली. लोकांनी ही हेची घेतली. मशिनां जाता कशें मरे, एका वर्साक जोत कसपाक वावर खूब हें जावंक लागलें. वर्सान एकदां न्हू हांव भड्डां पडींग पडलें. वानार हे ते जनावरां कांयच तुका करूंक दिना. आतां ते खेळ एक आमचे वाटेन पोपय शेगूट कोणागेर आख्या वाड्यार ना. दुसरी गोश्ट काय जाली, तेच्या उपरांत ही आतां मशिनां जालीं. मशिनां जालीं म्हटल्यार मरे वाटो ना, मशीन आसतलो. वाटांक लागून मरे शेतां ही जास्त करून पडली. ही अशी शेतां मरे सगळ्या जाणां वायट रे. स्वता काय मार व्हडला गव्हर्मेंटान ताका घाली सारकी येता तें हें शेत मागता. पूण सोडून दवर, कोणाक असलो आहा तो घालता. कित्याक ते आतां जास्त करून काय जालां मरे, हे कोणाक पयलीं कामांक मेळना. आयज तुका मरे कामांक जर ते हाडूंक वयतले भायलो लोक येता तांकां, जाल्यार तांचो पगार पयलीं कितें तुका दोन वरां काम चिंतता पडटा. मेन जालां आमचे लोक कामांक आमच्या ह्या कामाचेर काय आहा. दुसरी गोश्ट, आमचे लोक आदी मेळ्ळा. आतां हे गव्हर्मेंटान तांकां फुकट कांदो दिला. सांगपाचो उद्देश म्हाजो उद्देश तसो ना. म्हणजे मी तांकां दिता म्हणून मी गव्हर्मेंटाक दोश दिना. पण कामा धंद्यांक लोक मेळना ना इतकें हें खरां. ह्या खातीर आनी दुसरो म्हणजे सगळ्या जाणांक शेतां थळना. खूब कांय शेत ना ह्या कोणाकच. पण हांगसर असो मशीन हाडटलो जाल्यार वाडना. हेका सगळी खबर आहा. म्हाज्या सारक्यान मांद्र्यासून शिडयो त्या हेतूंतले हाडलेल्यो असो गाडयेन. आनी हो थंयसर ती खांदो पडला थंयसून म्हाज्या पोरसानसून हंयसर मशीन काडूंक दिना जालें लोक म्हाका. लास्टाक व्हडल्यो शिडयो हाडल्यो मशीनकाराच्यो शिवोले वचून. आनी ते शिडयो हाडले मांद्र्यासून एग्रीकल्चर करता. म्हाका इतको त्रास जालो थंयसून. ह्या 2 वर्सांक म्हाका मी सांगता मी शेताक खातीर म्हाका खास्ती.
आतां गव्हर्मेंट म्हणटा की शेत करूंक जाय म्हणटा, पूण कितें फॅसिलिटी दिता गव्हर्मेंट तुमकां आतां?
आतां म्हाका सांग तेणें कितें दिलें तें आमच्या नांवा वयरसून कळटा न्हू. आता एक मी तुका सांगला ना काय दिना पण नांवार थंय इल्ली जर तेची आसा जाल्यार मी फटींग गेली असं जाता न्हू तेणी दिल्या म्हणून सांगितली बरं आमची सर्वे ह्या सगळं आमी ह्या वर्सून हें करून ताका सर्वे काडून ताका हें घेतलेलें किसान कार्ड ताका म्हाजे कडेन
पयली लोक कसो आहा की सगळे गांवांतलो लोक सगळो शेतान देंवतालो आतां तसो दिसना आतां कोण मोजकेत कोण आहा तेच शेत करतात आनी हे करतात सो तेचें कारण कित्याक लागून
तेचें कारण म्हणजे आसा जो तो काय म्हणटा माझा थंय पडींग आसा न्ही नेर ताका वस ताका लावन दितलो जाल्यार कोणाचें जाना म्हणजे तूं काय करता कोण वाद घेतलो झगडी करतलो काय झग मारून असं आपला त्या तातूंत ना केल्ल्या खूब बरें तो म्हणटा म्हाज्या शेताक तुझा तूं कर हय आदी सगळ्याक हे वय करीत मरे आतां कोण वय करता गोरवां येतात म्हशी येतात हां त्या वर्सा म्हशी कितल्यो रातच्यो आमी डेलीचे मशीन काडून आमकां गांवान न्हू बांदपाक एकदां बांदलो
सो आतां जे आतां उदक तुमकां आतां शेत करपाक उदक जाय पडटा आनी जे मशीन हाडपाची पडटा सो तेका लागून तुमकां वाड ना सो तेका लागून तुमी कितें गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मागूंक सोदता की तुमकां हे अवेलेबल करपाचें
तें जर करतलो तेची फॅसिलिटी समज आमचे सारके ती म्हायती ना कसो गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन खंयचें वचोंक जाय फॉर्म कसलो दिवंक पडणी आमी पळोवन करूंक जाय म्हणून गव्हर्मेंटा पंचायतीन खुबदां सांगता अवून हे बघू सापलेली तांच्यानी सांगलें वता
पूण ते अवेरनेस असो काय जायना म्हणजे लोकांक सांगोंक जाय अशें लोकांक कळोंक जाय पंचायती कडल्यान की बाबा गव्हर्मेंट अशें कितें जाता
अवेरनेस करता पंचायत हारे फाटले
पंचायत आसा पण मी म्हणटा
पंचायतीन फुडें धाडले न्हू तेंच्यांनी त्या डिपार्टमेंटान आमकां हें करूंक जाय न्हू
डिपार्टमेंटान
पंचायतीन फॉरवर्ड केले सगळे पंचायतीन फॉरवर्ड सगळे केले पंचायतीन सगळे फॉरवर्ड केले फक्त आतां WRD इरिगेशनान आमकां हे स्विच गेट बांदून पडणी बांदून दिवंक जाय आनी पडणी बांदतलो जाल्यार तो म्हणटा कच्च्या पडणी बांदतलो जाल्यार टेंडर काडूंक जाय आतां ऑलरेडी आमी शेतां अर्दी करून सोंपयली म्हणजे तयार तरवो घालूचो जाला पूण पाणी हे पळय आतां सुक्या आसा जो पर्यंत ही पडण सारकी बांदून तो पर्यंत पावचाना आतां सरकार टेंडर इरिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट टेंडर काडटाला केव्हा आनी आमी हे स्विच गेटी बांदतलो केव्हा आतां आमी इंजिनियराक विचारल्या तो म्हणटा अजून आमी टेंडर काडूंक ना खंयचोय कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर येवन खंयचोय टेंडर घेवन गेलो कोण जबाबदार तेका मी तुका सांगना म्हणलो पडणी बांदपाक तूं पडण बांदतलो जाल्यार पयलीं आमकां टेंडर काडूचा पडटा आतां तो टेंडर केव्हा काडटलो आनी आमी हें पाणी केव्हा लायतलो इतल्याच आमकां जाय
सो तुमी आतां शेत सगळे बाकीचे आहा तुमचे कडेन पूण सद्या टेंडरा खातीर तुमकां प्रॉब्लेम स्विच गेटी
पडणी बांदूच्या
सो ते जावंक ना जाल्यार तुमकां फुडें पाणयाक त्रास
करून सगळा फुकट
ओके
म्हणून आतां बेगींतल्या बेगीन हेंच्यांनी तेचेर निर्णय घेवपाचो इरिगेशन डिपार्टमेंटान
Prasad for Herald TV.
Today in this special story, we will show you the Christmas celebrations held ahead of the Christmas Eve in Nuvei.
Well, was the special Christmas celebration that was held at Nuvei on the Christmas Eve. We want to wish you a Merry Christmas. We want to wish you a Merry Christmas. We want to wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of our heart.
आमी सेरेनेटिका भोंवताय जोवान हो इनिशिएटीव घेयला सेरेनेटिंग करपाक गांवांनी आमी भोंवताय आनी वी स्प्रेड द लव एंड वी स्प्रेड द जॉय ऑफ द कमिंग ऑफ द इन्फेंट जीसस क्राइस्ट.
The story by Aditya Bidre for Herald TV.
Kunkoli Union beat Father Agnello in a tie-breaker 14-13 and moved to the quarterfinals of the Father Agnello Youth Soccer Football Tournament organized by the Father Agnello Youth Sports Club and played in Avade in Kepe, Paroda.
It was Joseph Fernandez of Asolna missed a chance to score in the 8th minute. 3 minutes later, Vinod Velip power-packed shot missed the Asolna target by whiskers. In the tie-breaker, St. Anthony SC Asolna proved to be better shooters. In the end, Kunkolim Union 14-13 via the tie-breaker and moved into the quarter-final of the Father Agnello Youth Soccer Football Tournament organized by Father Agnello Youth Sports Club at Avedem Kepe, Paroda. Here are the highlights. Inacio for Herald TV.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on O Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.